All right, guys, so this is going to be video number 4 in our zoning and delivery fee management playlist. So we went over our suggested method, which is the tiered base setup. Then we went over the per mile setup. And in this video, we're going to talk about tiered zones. These are a little bit more complicated, but there is still some value to it. It's still not as granular as the tiered setup, but let's just get into it. So we have this zone right here that has the timing for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We have the base delivery fee for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then we have a minimum, which is minimum subtotal of the food ordered in order for the customer to be qualified to get a delivery. So now, as you can see, if we're in the tiered setup, we don't see anything added to this field. Now, once we click it, we'll see that this window shows up, and then we have tiers under the zones. Okay, so how does this work? This tooltip right here is going to tell you a very basic explanation. So if we have a base fee of $2.99, so let's just say that this is $2.99, and we put 5 here and we put $1 here. What this is going to do, it's going to take this base delivery fee for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, whatever it is. It's going to add $1 if a delivery is over 5 miles away. Okay, so this tier kicks in after you pass 5 miles. All right. So what we want to do is you can put this tier 1 at 0, and you can say that our base, like anywhere from 0, and let's say that the tier 2 is 5. This is going to put $1 on top of your base delivery fee up to 5 miles. Okay, now once we go past 5 miles, we are going to add an additional $2. So it's going to be base delivery fee plus $2, which is going to equal to $5 in this case, or $4.99. And then tier 3 can be 10, or whatever it is you want to set it as. So as you can see, this is just a very simple tier. So 1 through 3, and you can still set a maximum distance until when that tier is going to end, right? So if we put 8 here, right, the tier 3 is going to kick in between 8 and 10 miles. Anything past 10 miles, the customer can't order in this example alone. So just be careful when you're setting this up. Make sure you crunch your numbers correctly. And as we said before, our suggested method is the regular tiered setup because you can really plan your business out before maybe you're getting into a new market or anything like that, because you can break down your costs much better compared to this. But if you want to do the tier zones, this is how you do it. If you have any questions, please let us know. And we're going to do one more video in this playlist that's going to go over additional search fee setup. So if you want to watch that, click on the next video. Thank you. Bye.